If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. In this lesson, we will review entering bills for minor expenses incurred for each client that can then be entered as a single bill for the monthly totals. This could be performed with a minor charge, such as postage, for example. You can enter a single bill for this at the end of the month and then split it amongst all of the clients who will in turn pay their portion of the bill from their trust account balances. You record this bill in much the same way that you recorded the bill within the last lesson. When entering the line items within this bill, use the double-sided service items that you created for expenses provided and paid for by the firm and then reimbursed by the client from the previous chapter. Also, be sure that you mark each line item entered for each client and case as being not billable, since the clients will pay these charges from their trust account and not through invoices. However, be sure to record each client and case by making the correct selections from the Customer Job dropdown for each amount listed for each item, as these amounts will be included within the Trust Account Transactions by Client report that you will create later. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.